Hello everyone, my name is Sayyada Miraj. I am pursuing pre-primary teacher training course from Mizan Educational Institute. Today I would like to talk about play, stages of play and types of play. So let's get started. Play can be defined as an engagement in activity for recreation or enjoyment purpose rather than serious or practical purpose. So here are the stages of play. Solitary type of play can be seen at the age of 0 to 2 years, where the child will play alone with little interaction with others. Spectator play. This can be seen at the age of 2 to 2.5 years, where the child will watch other children but do not join in. Parallel play. This can be seen at the age of 2.5 to 3 years, where the child will play alongside others but do not join. Associative can be seen at the age of 3 to 4 years, where they will interact with other children. The last is cooperative play. This can be seen at the age of 4 or 4 plus, where the child will play with other children and they will share goals. So now let's see the types of play. First is constructive play. Here, the child will manipulate one or more elements of the play to construct something new. Example, building a castle in the sand. Rough and tumble play, it involves chasing and play fighting. This type of play is discouraged by adults as it is often mistaken as wrestling. Large motor play, it involves movements and ways to combine movements. Example, running, jumping, climbing, etc. Dramatic play. This type of play can also be called as make believe play, where the child will reenact everyday activities. Example, a small girl will rock a doll gently while feeding it a bottle. Exploration play involves physical skills to learn about materials and properties. Example, the child will use clay or dough. Role play involves exploring new ways of being. Example, the child will drive a toy car or become a pilot. Socio-dramatic play involves children acting out imaginary stories. Example, working as one of the characters in doctor's office or restaurants, etc. Communication play involves playing with sounds, words, gestures, etc. Social play. The play is structured, meaning there are rules to be followed here. Example, peekaboo. Symbolic play involves using an object and converting it into a toy. Example, a piece of wood to symbolize a person or any other character. Mastery play involves purposeful mastery of a specific skill. Digital play involves using digital technologies. Example, using of computer games or electronic toys. Play promotes healthy development and critical thinking of the child. It also helps the child physically by giving him or her the energy and stamina. Play helps children understand and process their emotions and new concepts. So, by this, I would like to conclude that play is important because it provides a primary foundation for learning, exploring, problem solving, and building an understanding of the world. Thank you.